And the IFTA goes to Domhnall Gleeson, When Harvey Met Bob.
Thanks. Thanks, Keisha. This is getting embarrassing. This is fantastic. I'm really, really, really proud to take this on behalf of Domhnall. I know he'd want me to mention Ian Hart. It was a fantastic production. I don't have a speech. He did this for me about when he was 16, and he took out a sheaf of paper that he had prepared, and I've absolutely nothing because I didn't realise this was going to happen. So on behalf of Domhnall, fantastic. Thanks very much.